Want to launch a Klaviyo email flow in under 3 minutes? Discover how to create, customize, and activate a pre-built Shopify flow quickly. First, we'll open Flows and create a new flow. Then we'll pick a template, tweak the triggers, launch, and confirm it's live. Click on Flows in the left sidebar to see your existing flows. Then hit Create Flow to start a brand new one. Now pick a template. There's a gallery of ready-made options you can browse. Once the flow editor opens, you'll see that triggers are already set up. Feel free to edit these. When you're done, click Launch. And there you go. You can see it's already live. Happy emailing! If you have any feedback, or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.